Hey guys, welcome to Smartphone Fan. And here is the new model from Ulefone, and this is the Ulefone Note16Pro. Yes, so this is not a larger device, it's just a regular designed smartphone for Ulefone. And this phone is have a very Apple style designed back. The back side are Apple style design, and the front is just like the normal low-end smartphones. So today I'm going to show you the latest model, and we will have a very quick unbox video, and we will also talk on the basic specification about this device. So here is the Ulefone Note16Pro, and this is the box. And I will say this box is also very similar to the Apple style. In the front, they put the smartphone in front side of the box, and here's the Pro label, and the other side they just keep white and a very simple logo. And here today we have the 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM is a Serenity Blue, and here we can find the basic specification about this device. Octa-core processor for Unisoc 8GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, 6.25 water drop display, 50 dual camera rear camera, and 8 megapixel front camera, 4G side fingerprint, 4400 big battery, and pure Android setting system. Okay, so this is a basic specification about this device, and next let's unbox it and let's check what the phone looks like and what's inside the box. So here, after we open the box, here it's a smartphone. It was in a plastic bag, and we can take it out. But when we check the smartphone, we will go to the user manual and add the accessories first. So under the smartphone, here is the SIM card ejector. Okay, very simple SIM card ejector. Let's put it aside, and here, well, it's the quick guide Note16Pro. What's impressive is the colorful user manual. This is the difference. So as this is very impressive difference compared to other brand, especially for the low-end cost-effective brand. Safety Pro mode card, safety information, Note16Pro, and also warranty card, charging instructions. So here 4 papers for you to use this smartphone. Also here, under this, the user manual, the papers. It also provide I think this is a transparent soft case. Normal, yeah. So we can so we can put smartphone in the case to protect it. And also here is the cable, Type-C to USB cable, and the normal charge. So this is charger. So this is all the stuff inside this box. Next, let's go to the smartphone. So here the smartphone. Let's peel off we can peel off the protector. And this is the back panel. It's used the matte glass, so it's not easy to left your fingerprint on it. Here for this is very similar to the Apple camera dome, but this time they use the main camera is 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCEL Gen 1 sensor in front. The water drop is 8 megapixel. Also, I think this it reminds me the design of Redmi Note 12 series. This is the design. The Ulefone logo is here, and the framework also, I think, is kind of metal, but also it uses the shining blue metal framework. And here is front side basic specification. Here is a power button, but also is a side fingerprint button. Yeah. Rolling up, rolling down. SIM card slot is here. And let's peel off this as well and check the smartphone. Wake up. Let's turn on the smartphone and check the display performance. Okay, I will skip the steps and let's go to the OS. Okay guys, so now we enter the OS. So it's the original Android OS, and then we can go to the settings to check more setting specification about this device. Yes, about phone, Ulefone Note16Pro, Android. Yes, Android setting. Yes, so this Android setting. 8GB RAM plus 250GB RAM is also support virtual expanded RAM for another extra 8GB. Yes. So here is the phone looks like when we wake up screen, and then we can see here's a water drop screen 6.52 inch. It support HD plus. It's a water drop. To be frank, when we wake up smartphone, we find this have a big bezels. Even the head and the chain is not so kind of higher screen to body ratio. Yes, and the display performance is okay, but not so good. And also this device is support 8 megapixel front camera, and also it support splash proof, not the IP68, but support splash proof. So for the normal water is can be waterproof, yeah, but cannot put into the water for a long time. And also another thing is this phone, they use the Unisoc is the core processor. So it's the chipset is also, but also support a fingerprint and face unlock. We have a very simple test next for the camera. So here we could take some sample pictures. Okay. So here. Okay, Pro. We can adjust ISO AF and white balance. Okay. Pro capture. Okay, 10 times zoom. Okay, we go to the front. Also 10 times zoom. It's okay, but not so clean front. Okay, yeah, so this front and rear camera system, simple test. Night vision, macro, ultra-res. Macro, we can test macro. Okay, it's not so good, but it's okay. Macro. Okay, I have put sample pictures at the end of the video. And yes, so this is very simple unboxing and review video about this model, the Ulefone Note16Pro. And to be frank, I think design is very nice, and also the matte glass I like it very much. And also this camera zoom is remind me the Apple style, and 15 megapixel dual camera system is okay. And now two things I want to mention here is it support 1.5 meters 30-minute waterproof. I mentioned above, but it cannot be too long. It cannot larger like the larger device. Also here, you can find it has a 3.5 mm headphone jacket. So this is another thing that's yes they provide. So yes, this is the very quick unboxing video about this device from Ulefone, and thanks for watching. What do you think of such cost-effective product from Ulefone? And I think the price is very cheap. It's around $100 to $140. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video. Let's stay tuned waiting for more cool gadget from here. Bye bye.